Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car cameras. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Wolfbox X5. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is Vantru N5. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. App compatibility, yes. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 30. Number 3 on our list is Vantru N4. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Aperture, f1.8. Rear camera, yes. Display, LCD. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, 5.0 MP comms. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 on our list is Wolfbox G900. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 1 on our list is Pi 4K-Cam. Specifications: brand name, Pi. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer, Signastar. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 639 grams.